Hello guys, this is Ethan and I got a police car here. So this is the modern police car that was made by the builders, and I don't know why it has these things on there, but at the back they have red lights. And there's a red light there. And there's on top, there's a roof with blue lights and two grey lights. And sounds like this. And lighting effects. And this. And then you got some wheels. So finally find some vehicles. So this is the back, and it has this is the all police car. This is all the race car. I mean police car of the day. So see you later on Ethan's video.